Eric's riding bikes with the kids. Where'd they go?
Don't trust what you can't touch, 'cause memory is history. No, we're not moving mountains. We can't change time.
I started crying, and then I stopped, and I don't even want to go back down there because we went up to where the black truck was and then raced it down. And then Dakota was crying, and then I stopped, like where I wasn't even finished.
Yeah. What are they doing down there? Picking more flowers?
Yes.
I got a whole pot full of flowers. Here they come. Ah!
Oh no!
So Eric helped me make dinner this morning. He has, as said this morning, corned beef and vegetables. It is ready now. It is 5 o'clock.
Hey! Video game. Hey!
5:09. And dinner is served.
I'm the diplomat.
Yeah. So, let it cool off. Oh, look at all that. Can't wait. Too bad Eric has to work till 9. I'll keep it warm for him.
Hey! Hey! It's kissing well again. There's a bug on me. I shaked it off. That's why I got 4 and it looks so pretty.
Yeah. Here they are. Found them on the corner.
Why do you make like a whole bunch of flowers together and that's so pretty?
It's called a bouquet. A bouquet of flowers.
I can get one more.
They pick me all sorts of flowers. Purple ones, yellow ones, red ones. They even pick me these. Yeah? On the corner of Traveling Breeze and Thunder Sky.
Wait, we are on Traveling Breeze.
Yep.
And
We live on Traveling
but
Breeze.
Mama, we are on this street. We're on the side street, so we're on Thunder Sky.
Thunder Sky, yep. We are on this side of the street, therefore we are on Thunder Sky.
But oh,
That would be Traveling Breeze.
shower is cold. Hey. I feel like steel.
Yeah.
But not on the sidewalk. I can't be on the sidewalk. Until we always are done. Ah, my hair is busting.
No, don't do that.
Oh my God. No.
No. What are you doing, Bram? I didn't bring any towels. You're going to have to run around in the sun, in the grass. You want to mess up your hair?
I'm gonna roll around in the grass.
Grass.
I want to roll around. You're filming me.
I was trying. I don't know if I actually got you.
I'm gonna have a bike ride. This barefoot.
Pull your pant leg up. Make sure it doesn't get caught in your chain. If you want.
That's hilarious.
Whatever, when you have to ride home in your underwear. Just got back from the park. You want to show YouTube your big ouchies?
Yeah, my
She fell on her scooter handlebar. Wait, we gotta show them your big, big ouchies. Oh, big, big ouchie.
But it's a little.
Just bleeding a little bit. It's really, really red though.
Yeah, but. Well, wait, it looks like that. Look, Mom.
What were you trying to do? Are you trying to ride through the rocks?
No, I'm trying right on. It does like that.
Yeah, I know. That's cool. What were you trying to do?
Why with the top and white
Huh?
tone?
You were trying to turn
Yeah. And my bell.
and you fell.
Oh, accident.
Oh.
And I hurt my knee, but
Yeah, your knee's not too bad.
no.
You hurt your toe, but you hurt your toe the other day. You just made it start bleeding again.
Yeah, but I hold it right now.
I know, that was your big ouchie, huh?
Yeah, but and Mom, I go. Sick. You, well, you could turn it on.
Our neighbor lady was nice enough to give us some stuff. She was having a moving sale, and whatever she didn't sell, whatever we wanted. Because we bought from her a couple times, so whatever we wanted, she let us go and grab for free. So I grabbed the kids some toys and some lamps and some Tinkerbell rugs. She got the doll,
Pull this over. And
some
then
books.
And then it lights up.
Like your doll?
It lights up.
Yeah. There's a plate on the inside that you write on with these markers, and it spins around and lights up.
My